Kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for a fun new review and packing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the first part of this video where I showed you guys the Limea Trifecta on the body. As you can see in that part of the video, you can wear this bag over the shoulder and crossbody. I also think it would make a great clutch if you didn't have it too full. And if you had your own wrist strap, you could definitely hook that on and use this as a wrist bag. So I have the Trifecta here in the gorgeous iced latte color. You can order this from thesensiblemama.com, and I would love if you guys would shop The Sensible Mama with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you can shop through that anytime. This particular bag set actually comes in a few different colors, and they're all gorgeous, so definitely go check those out as well. I really feel like the iced latte color just matches so many different prints and shades though. It looks so pretty in person. It's kind of like a sunshiny camel color, which I love, so it's perfect for spring, summer, and fall in my opinion. This bag features full grain leather, which by the way smells amazing. And then you also have a champagne gold Limea logo here, and you have these super cute Limea zipper pulls as well, and I love the feel of these. They have a good weight to them. The zippers on all the Limea bags that I've had so far are very smooth, so I love smooth zippers. I took this bag out yesterday for a shopping trip with my friend, and I loved it. It was perfect size for me to use when I was just by myself as a purse. But you could definitely use this as a little quick trips bag for diapers and wipes and things like that as well. It's just the right size to hold those things if you had to take a really quick trip with a baby. But today I have it packed up for me and my 4-year-old for a super quick trip out to Target. So let me show you guys the front. This is what it looks like on the front. I love this pebbled leather. It feels so good. There is that Limea tag. If you're new to Limea, it means love ya, mean it always. That's what all the letters stand for. This is the side of the bag. As you can see, I have it pretty full. I think I probably have it as full as I can get it, just stuffed with all my stuff. It's really not that heavy though, as you can see. It's got a good width to it. This is the back of the bag. So this is actually going to be a pretty quick packing video today, you guys, because I don't really have all that much in here, but I did stuff as much as I possibly could in here. So let's go ahead and get started. So there is a back zipper on this bag. As you can see right here, this is a perfect place to keep your phone. So that's actually what I have in here. I have my iPhone 11 Max Pro down in there, and it fits great sideways. It's also a great place to keep your keys or your wallet if you wanted to. It has that gorgeous steel blue lining. Now the other colors I mentioned have different lining colors, and they all look very complementary to each other. So definitely go check out those other colors as well. One of the things I love about the Trifecta is that because it has 3 pieces included, you have the large piece, which is essentially a purse. You have a medium pouch, which is clear front, so you can see through it. And then you have a larger coin purse type of bag that comes with this as well. And because there's 3 pieces, you can actually pack your diaper bags with these if you wanted to. Or you can use them as a purse like I do, or you can use them separately. So let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. So this is what the top of the Trifecta large piece looks like. You have a double zipper opening. This is how I have it packed up. I have all of the pieces included that come with this style, and I love them. They just fit perfectly in here together. And I also utilized all the pockets this time as well. So let's go ahead and go through the middle compartment first. I want to go through the medium-sized piece first. So this is what the front looks like. It has a clear front with the Limea logo here, and the back is that solid iced latte leather. I love that. So in here, I just have some snacks for my son, as you can see. Let's go ahead and pull them out. I have a juice box down in there for him, a go-go squeeze, some yogurt raisins, and a Z-bar. Next to that, standing up and down, like straight up and down in there, I have the small piece, which I actually find quite large. If you look at it in my hands, it is a good size pouch. I love it so much. It's gorgeous. It feels really, really good in your hands. It's just a good size. I really like it. So this pouch, as you can see, starts over here, goes a little less than halfway down the bag. So in here, I just have some things for myself. I actually have a pad in here. So if that tells you how large this pouch is, this pad fits in here just fine. I have a folding hairbrush, chapstick, lip gloss, hand cream, And I have a little mirror down in there as well. And this is what the pouch looks like on the inside. It's just open. I love that though, because you can just really squeeze a whole bunch of stuff down in there. I also, yesterday when I used this as my wallet. I had my coffee break wallet inside and I had a lip gloss in there. It was great. I loved it. So this is what we have left. You have 2 mesh pockets on the sides there that are leather trimmed. And on the other side here, you have another leather trimmed zippered pocket. So let's go ahead and go through that. You guys can also see how much space I have on the inside there now. So in here, I have my keys. And those are big, as you guys saw in my last video. If you missed my last Limea video, definitely click here and watch that video next for how I pack up the Limea Sophie bag. I love that bag. So that's what I had in that back zippered pocket. Now let's move on to these pockets so you guys can see a little bit better. So on this side, I did want to mention these are smaller pockets, so you can't fit like a small set piece or anything like that in there, but it's just the right size for my coffee break wallet by Jujubee. So that fit great in that pocket there. And they're both the same size. And on this side, I have a little iPhone that is full of educational games for my son. So if we are somewhere and we get stuck for a little while, like in traffic or something, I can just hand him that and he'll be good. But that is basically all there is to the Trifecta. I love it. It makes a fabulous purse. It makes a great quick trips bag. Overall, I love it and I recommend it for sure. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. I would love if you guys would shop The Sensible Mama with me. I will leave my affiliate link down below. Thanks for watching.